In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF with clickable links in Figma. This is a fantastic skill for enhancing your presentations, portfolios, or any document you share, allowing recipients to interact directly with external resources. To start, open an existing design in Figma, whether it's a simple mockup, a detailed UI screen, or a presentation slide. Your design canvas will appear, ready for you to add interactive elements. Next, you'll want to add the text that will become your clickable link. Use the text tool to type out your desired anchor text, such as "Visit our blog" or "Connect on LinkedIn." Position this text clearly, ensuring it's obvious to the user what the link represents. Once your text is placed and selected, it's time to embed the link. In the inspector panel on the right, locate the Create Link option. Clicking it reveals a field to input the full URL. Paste the exact web address you want your text to lead to. After entering the URL, confirm by pressing Enter or clicking Away. You'll notice the text visually changes, like becoming underlined, signifying it's now an active link. With the link successfully embedded, the next step is to export your design as a PDF. Navigate to the top menu bar and find the Export or Share icon, often a downward arrow. From the options, select PDF. Figma will then prompt you with settings. Ensure the frames or pages containing your new link are selected for export. Finally, click Export Now to download your PDF. Once saved, open the PDF and thoroughly test the clickable link. Click the text you added to confirm it accurately navigates to the intended web page. Verifying your links ensures a smooth and professional experience for viewers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic PDF with clickable links directly from Figma. This powerful feature transforms static content into interactive experiences, making your shared work more engaging. I hope this guide helps you create more dynamic designs.